Hi, I'm Aida, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to draw an eyebrow with guidelines. So let's get started. At first, I draw a horizontal line from the head of the eyebrow. This line is called horizon line, and it's parallel to the top or bottom of the paper. Then I draw another line from the previous starting point to the end of the eyebrow. This line is called angle line. Angle line isn't always drawn. I'll talk about it at the end of the video and give you the reason, so watch the video till the end. I should draw some vertical lines at the beginning of the eyebrow, the peak, and the end of the eyebrow. Now drawing is so easy. I draw all these lines and draw the basic shape of the eyebrow. We don't always draw the angle line. In some cases, the tail of the eyebrow is parallel to the head or is under the head, so there is no angle line. In some eyebrows, there are a few hairs at the beginning or the head of the eyebrow. You can draw the horizon line where the density of hair is high. In some cases, you can draw the first vertical line where the angle of the eyebrow changes, not at the beginning of the eyebrow. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Enjoy drawing.